What's up, Arbitrage PH? Welcome to the Arbitrage Academy, an Amazon VA blueprint that is focusing in Amazon online arbitrage product source. So for this another discussion is nasa lesson 13 na tayo. And for this another lesson naman, we will now going to talk about naman the one of the Amazon's terminologies and abbreviations, which is the gated and ungated products. So without further ado, let us now start discussing them. But before we start, ito muna yung magiging learning objectives natin for this lesson. So the first one here is we will going to talk about what is a gated and ungated products. Secondly is I will show you the list of gated and ungated products. Pangatlo is we will talk about why there are some gated products in Amazon. And at the same time, pang-apat is we will discover on how to know a gated products in Amazon. And lastly, we will also going to discover on how to ungate some gated products in Amazon. So these are the learning objectives for this lesson. So hindi ko na to patatagalin pa, and let us now start to our discussion. Okay, so let us now discuss first what is a gated products. So what is a gated products now? So gated products, it refers to a products that require special permission or approval from Amazon to be sold. No, so ngayon yung tinatawag nating gated products, no, with regards to Amazon, gated products are those of the categories of products na restricted to sell by the sellers. No, in a sense na hindi sila allowed to sell those products. And kailangan nila ng certain permission or ng certain approval from Amazon para lang bigyan sila ng authority to sell the products. No? So, ngayon, yung mga gated products, mostly active siya sa mga new sellers since bago pa lang sila and wala pa talaga silang masyadong sales history in metrics. That's why limited pa lang din yung mga brands or yung mga products na pwede nilang i-resell kay Amazon. And they have to go through ungating process para na makapag-resell sila ng gusto nilang products to sell sa Amazon. So in short, kapag gated ang isang product, hindi tayo allowed to sell those products. Okay? So basically, that's the gated products means. So let us now talk about naman what is ungated products. No? So ungated products is a products that don't require special permission from Amazon to sell. Okay, so tingnan niyo yung difference between them. So ungated products, ito naman yung mga products na walang restrictions from Amazon. Ibig sabihin, these are the products na pwede nilang i-resell or pwedeng i-resell ng mga sellers na hindi na nila kailangan pa ng approval or ng permission kay Amazon para lang makapag-resell sila ng products na yun sa Amazon Marketplace, no? So that's the ungated products means naman. So to sum up, the only difference between gated and ungated products is about getting permission or approval from Amazon. No, pag gated ang isang product, ibig sabihin hindi allowed sa seller to sell those products and kailangan lang nila ng approval or ng permission kay Amazon to sell the products. On the other hand, pag ungated products naman, ibig sabihin ito naman yung mga products na allowed sa seller to sell the products without any requirements or approval kay Amazon. No, so that's the only difference between gated and ungated products, and I hope that makes sense, diba? So ayun. Okay, so ngayon, let us now discover naman the list of gated and ungated products. But actually, regarding dito, I can actually give you the exact list of gated and ungated products in Amazon kasi depende kasi yun sa Amazon Marketplace na seller. No, it's either nasa Amazon US or nasa Amazon UK Marketplace siya. So, depende kung saan ba siya nagbabenta. And also, depende din sa seller kung new seller pa lang siya or matagal na siyang seller sa Amazon. No, and at the same time, as far as I know, the list of gated and ungated products in Amazon is nagbabago-bago siya over the time. No, kasi si Amazon is palagi siyang nag-update ng kanyang policies annually or sometimes several times pa nga eh. That's why there's no exact list, no? That's why there's no exact list of gated and ungated products in Amazon kasi there's a lot of factors to consider. No, you can check them na lang, those list of gated and ungated products in Amazon sa official site nila if you really want to know more about it. And I will just going to show with you na lang later on how you can identify some gated and ungated products in Amazon. Okay, so ngayon, maybe you would be asking, no, why there are some gated products in Amazon. Kahit hindi nyo gusto nung itanong, kahit hindi nyo naman tinatanong, tanongin nyo na. No, diba? So, maybe you would be asking lang, diba? Maybe you would be asking why there are some gated products in Amazon. So, ngayon, I will now give you is several reasons why there are some gated products in Amazon. Okay, so the number one reason why there are some gated products in Amazon is because of for the brand protection, no, or to protect their brand from intellectual property violations, no. So regarding dito, kailangan kasi ni Amazon and ng mga brand owners na protektahan nila yung kanilang brands or yung kanilang mga products para ma-avoid nila yung mga sellers who are copying their products that would be resulting of selling a fake product. So para din naman yun sa ikakabuti ng mga customers na. So that's why they protect their brands and they only allows to sell their products sa mga authorized sellers only. Now, kaya may mga certain requirements or may mga certain documents silang hinihingi sa mga sellers before sila bigyan ng authority to sell the products. No, pero si Amazon, maybe si Amazon bigyan sila ng eligibility to sell their brands, kaso baka yung brand owner na mismo yung ayaw and mag-take ng legal actions against the seller. No, that's why as much as possible, no, kami kapag gated, no, as an example, no, kami kapag gated, no, kapag gated ang isang product tapos hindi talaga kami binigyan ng eligibility to sell the product, no, ina-avoid namin siya to sell para ma-avoid namin yung legal action from the brand owner. No, so ayun, that's the first reason. That's the first reason why there are some gated products in Amazon is because they want to protect their brands from IP complaints and they want to protect their brands from the unauthorized sellers. No, so that's the first reason. So ngayon, tawag dito, yung pangalawang reason naman why there are some gated products in Amazon is because of to prevent oversaturation. Okay, so what do I mean by this? In Amazon kasi, there's a lot of sellers, no? There's a lot of sellers who are selling in Amazon. And since napakadami talaga ng sellers sa Amazon, most especially the FB sellers or hindi lang FB sellers, once na hindi gated ang isang brand, pinoprotekta talaga sila ng mga sellers to the fact na nagbababaan talaga sila ng price, no, to the fact na nawawala na yung profitability ng isang product. So yun din kasi yung iniiwasan ni Amazon and ng mga brand owners, kaya limited lang din yung binibigyan nila ng authority to sell their products. And yun nga, since limited lang din yung binibigyan nila ng authority to sell their products, this is actually an advantage, no? This is actually an advantage to other sellers kasi since gated yung brand sa ibang sellers, ibig sabihin, konti lang yung magiging competition nila for the products. Diba? Kaso naman, ang risk naman dito is that, ang risk naman dito sa mga sellers that baka yung brand owner na talaga yung mag-take ng legal action against the seller if may nalabag silang, if nalabag nila yung intellectual property rights ng isang brand. And because of this, baka mawi pa sa account suspension ni seller. No? Kaya yun nga, pero depende pa rin to sa risk appetite ng client nyo or ni seller. So, ayun, and ang tawag dito. So, yun, basically, that's also the reason why there are some gated products in Amazon. It's because to prevent or to avoid oversaturation. So, ngayon, ito na. Ito na yung pinakahihintay na setup. So, ito na. I will now going to show to you on how you can identify some gated and ungated products. Since there's no exact list of gated and ungated products in Amazon, yung na-research ko lang is nahanap ko lang siya sa Google, but wala talagang exact list of gated and ungated products na nilalabas talaga si Amazon kasi yun nga, nagbabago-bago siya over the time. So, yun. And so regarding the gated products, yun nga, if you really want to know more talaga what are the list of gated products in Amazon, i-visit nyo na lang yung official site ni Amazon for more information. And actually regarding dito, except of checking the list of gated products in Amazon, the ways on how to know some gated and ungated products is kailangan natin ng access sa Seller Central ng seller. Kasi depende kasi sa seller, no? Depende sa seller yung mga gated and ungated products sa kanila. Kaya need talaga natin ng access muna sa Seller Central ni seller. And after this, we're going to use a sourcing software, no? A paid sourcing software. And kami, since we are using the Buybot Pro, I will show you on how to use it nang nakalagin na sa Seller Central ni seller. So, how do we do that? I will now go to show you. Okay, so as we can see, andito na tayo ngayon sa Amazon. Okay, and actually ito yung Buybot Pro. Okay, so para malaman natin itong gated or ungated tong product na to is pupunta lang tayo dito sa my dashboard. Ito, ayan. So dito, actually nakalagin na ako dito sa Seller Central server. No? So kung kayo is hindi pa, actually may nakalagay dito na login option, tapos maglalagin lang kayo doon using your client login details, no? Pero dito, since nakalagay na ako sa Seller Central ni seller, ito na yung itsura niya. Okay, so ngayon, malalaman natin if gated or ungated ang isang product pag color green, ayan na eligible. Pag color green or red, tong eligible alert na to, no? So since ang nakalagay dito sa eligible alert is color green and it is saying that you are eligible to sell this product, ibig sabihin ungated, no? Ungated kami sa product na to. We are not gated. So in short, pwede namin to i-sell sa Amazon kasi it says that we are eligible to sell this product, no? So you are eligible to sell this product, color green. It's a good indication, no, about this item. And dito, eligible din kami, color green dun siya. So those are the indications, no, of being eligible to sell the product. Okay, so ngayon, pag gated naman ang isang product, ganito naman yung itsura na. Okay, dito. So dito sa my dashboard, so kung mapapansin mo dito sa may eligible alert, is color red siya. Color red saying that you are gated. That this is gated. Tapos it is asking for auto ungating. Ayan. No, so pag color red, so ngayon, pag color red naman yung eligible alert, tapos it is asking for auto ungating. Obviously, ibig sabihin lang is that gated si seller sa brand na to. But yun nga, the good news naman about this is that pwede naman natin itong i-auto ungate para maging eligible kami to sell this product. So, paano naman namin yun gagawin? Okay, so dito na papasok yung tinatawag nating auto ungating and manual ungating. So, itong item na to is itatry natin siyang i-auto ungate. Ayan, itatry natin siyang i-auto ungate. So, click nyo lang, tapos wait nyo lang siya. Ayan, please wait now. And then, after that, mag-ask siya dito ng submit your details. Ibig sabihin, kailangan nating mag-provide ng some information or ng details about kay Amazon. So, click nyo lang sa ulit. Tapos, mare-redirect na kayo dito sa my selling application for brand, no, by Amazon. So, ngayon, dito, since ganito yung lumabas, mag-auto ungating lang tayo dito sa brand na to. So, hindi ko na to i-explain pa kasi matagal pa to actually to explain. So, ipapakita ko na lang sa inyo kung alin ba dito yung mga gagalawin nyo. No? So, dito, ayan. So, dito, tell us about your products and business. No? So, dito, click nyo lang yung reseller or distributor. Tapos, dito sa pangalawa, yung pang-apat lang, I'm responsible for all products I sell on Amazon and for understanding whether they violate the law or are otherwise restricted from sale on Amazon. So, ito yung retake nyo. Tapos dito sa pangatlo, all of the above. Pang-apat, all of the above. Tapos dito, click mo lang yan. Tapos dito naman, provide nyo lang yung contact information ni seller. So dito, yung email address ni sir. Tapos yung email address na ginagamit ni seller sa Amazon. Tapos dito yung phone number na naman. Tapos submit. Ayan. Then wait nyo lang siya. So yun nga, after submitting, it says that your selling application is approved. So ibig sabihin is success yung pag-auto ungate natin kanina. Okay? So successful. Ibig sabihin successful yung naging auto ungating natin. So ngayon, babalik tayo dito sa item na to. No? So di ba color red siya, no? Ibig sabihin si seller is gated sa item na to. Ngayon, ang gagawin ko is i-refresh ko lang siya. Refresh lang natin siya. Wait natin. So, ayun. After refreshing, titingnan natin dito sa my dashboard. So, di ba kanina, color red dito yung eligible alert. And ngayon, after natin mag-auto ungate, na-refresh natin, so it says that we are now eligible to sell this product. Ibig sabihin, eligible na kami to sell this product. So, worth it or nag-work yung auto ungating process natin. So, ganun lang. Basically, that's how easy to auto ungate the gated products. No? So, you can also now list this item sa sheet ninyo. So, okay. Ngayon, manual ungating naman tayo. Okay, so, this item, this is actually another example of gated brand. So, punta dito sa may dashboard. So, ngayon, let's try to auto ungate this product. Auto ungate, then wait lang natin. And then submit your details. Okay. So dito ngayon, makikita natin na we have to submit a documents or invoice. Ayan, invoice and files, no, from the supplier. No, so kailangan natin na mag-submit ng mga certain documents or yun nga, special permission from Amazon to ungate this brand. And usually, this manual ungating is actually part na siya ng work ng isang store manager and hindi na siya part ng work natin as a product researcher. So, ang ginagawa lang natin is auto ungating. Ito yung manual ungating pag gusto talaga nilang i-ungate if they really want to sell this brand na Marc Jacobs, no? So they have to go through manual ungating. And yung ginawa natin is auto ungate na, no? Kapag ngayon, kapag nag-auto ungate tayo tapos ganito yung lumabas, usually hindi na ako nag-a-apply to sell kasi kailangan ng invoices and documents from the supplier. So kailangan namin i-provide doon. So part na siya ng store manager na task actually. So ayun, basically that's how you can identify some gated and ungated products, and at the same time for auto ungating and manual ungating. So ito, manual ungating to yung kanina. Yun nga, manual ungating. Itong, kung gusto nilang i-ungate itong brand na to, yung kanina, auto ungating. So nag-ano na lang tayo, nag-fill out na tayo ng some questions from Amazon. So ayan. So if you want to learn more about kung paano ba maging Amazon VA, most especially as a product researcher, I really suggest na mag-invest kayo sa AvaPH because meron silang course about PR, Amazon PR, no, PR1, saka PR2, and I think meron na din silang wholesale course that would really help you to become an Amazon VA then. And yeah, yun nga, I really suggest na mag-invest lang kayo sa course nila because these lessons na ginagawa natin are only an overview to learn about Amazon PR, and from these courses, no, matututunan nyo talaga dito from basic to advanced sourcing. Okay, plus magkakaroon pa kayo dito ng mga trainings after the course, and bibigyan din nila kayo ng access sa mga tools and softwares na ginagamit talaga nila sa pagsasource. And actually, you are also not investing sa course nila because you are also investing sa community nila. And yun nga, napaka hands-on ng mga coaches and marami ding mga VEs tutulong ito sa inyo sa mga questions. And currently, meron na din silang 80.3k members. And actually, isa sa mga nagustuhan ko dito sa community nila is talagang tulungan sila paangat. Plus, may mga free lessons din sila kung paano mag-apply, paano gumawa ng resume, and the most important is they also have referrals, which is i-refer nila kayo sa mga clients if you already done the courses and trainings nila. Kasi dito sa AvaPH and yung mga coaches behind this community are napakabait, napakagaling, and ang dami ding clients and agencies na alam ang AvaPH. Kaya yun nga, napaka-advantage ng mga nakagraduate na galing sa AvaPH because alam ng mga clients yung quality ng services ng mga VE na galing sa Ava. Okay? Kaya if you want to learn more about Amazon PR, I will put the links dito sa baba ng description natin and i-visit nyo na lang sila. So with that, good luck sa inyo and see you inside the community. So ayun, that's all for our today's lesson. And ngayon, alam nyo na what are the gated and ungated products. And yun nga, and I'm actually really hoping na natututo talaga kayo sa every lesson natin kasi alam ko na sobrang haba talaga ng every lesson na ginagawa ko. And yun nga, I'm just making sure lang kasi guys na siksik and diglig talaga yung binibigay kong information sa inyo para worth it yung time and efforts nyo on learning this course. Okay? So, sana. So, pero yun nga, na-appreciate ko din talaga yung pagiging consistent. So, yun. That's all again, guys. And yun, see you to our next lesson. Bye!